Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys I will show you how to get loan on Al Hilal Bank. So guys, open your Al Hilal Bank as you can see here and go to this option, menu option as you can see here, and choose the home finance. After that guys, you find the different option here, and for cash personal finance, and this is option for loan. Choose the one you want to do, and for example this medical finance. After that, scroll down, fill you this information guys, your name and your email, your details information. After that, click this ads and click submit, and your customer service for Al Hilal Bank, you will send you the application, your application, and you will get approval or not. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon.